Aloha again, David here from Crypto Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a TronLink wallet in case you want to take some Tron tokens and swap them on one of the DeFi platforms like JustSwap. So do me a favor, click on the like button down below, smash the big red subscribe, let YouTube know that you like these videos and you want to see more of them, and I will keep making them. Let's get started. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Hey guys, before I jump in on this video, I wanted to let you know that I have been finding some absolutely phenomenal airdrops lately. In fact, some of them are so good that I'm going to start doing videos and making sure to share them with you so you don't miss out on this opportunity. But there's never going to be a way I can share all of them. There's so many going on that you really need to be able to do the research yourself. So do me a favor, go to getmyfreecrypto.com. Putting the web address right down there at the bottom of the screen, getmyfreecrypto.com. There's going to be a link right there when you go, and you can sign up for our $97 Airdrop Masterclass, totally free. Zero cost to you right now. You can learn how to pick up tokens on your own for free, how to get tokens just sometimes for owning tokens. So it's a really easy thing, getmyfreecrypto.com. You don't want to miss out on this. All right, so let's get our Tron wallet all set up. If you go to Tron Network's homepage, and you'll see here there's a drop-down tab that's got the wallet information. And when you scroll down, you'll see there's a few different options. Obviously, like a ledger if you want to take it offline. Wobi Wallet, Trust Wallet are going to be your browser-based wallets, as well as IM Token. I'm not very familiar with IM Token, but I want to have a browser extension wallet like I have over here for my MetaMask, something where I can just access the swap through my main browser and use my tokens that way. So I'm going to download TronLink. Okay, Chrome extension. It looks like it's iOS, Android, or Chrome extension. I would like to get the Chrome extension. And I go about it this way because I feel a little bit safer making sure. Always double check everything, make sure you're getting TronLink, TronLink.org. It's one of the quicker scams that people do is to try to make fake wallets and stick them up there. And if you download them, they're just jacking your stuff. But this looks like the real one, so I'm going to add this to the Chrome, and it's adding right now. Shouldn't take very long. All right, perfect. And for now, I'm going to pin it so that I don't lose my TronLink wallet. Okay, here we go. All right, so now I got my password in. If I had an existing one, I could restore it, or I could attach to a ledger, but I'm going to create because I am making a new one. And then I have to confirm it. Let them know that I actually paid attention and wrote down my passphrase somewhere safe. Continue. Looks like they've got some upgrades for NFTs. They call it collectibles management. But there we go. Now I have my Tron wallet, all right? All set up. It's got no Tron in it. I'm going to go and click to receive, and I'm going to copy my account information, put it over there in my KuCoin account, and I'm going to send it on out to myself, all right? Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Pretty straightforward and easy process there. Click on the like, click on subscribe. Let the systems and the computers of the world know that you think that these videos are useful and helpful, teaching you these cool things. I'll keep making them, and we'll keep rocking. Aloha.